Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Mahindra & Mahindra. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Mahindra & Mahindra with a SOTP based price target of Rs 3,431. Due to a healthy order book in the passenger vehicle segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the electric vehicle space, Mahindra & Mahindra is expected to launch battery electric vehicles from early 2025. In overseas tractor market, Mahindra & Mahindra plans to enter in Asian in calendar year 24 and in Western Europe in calendar year 25. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 24.4 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 17.2 times its FY26 estimates. Next, we have an update on Federal Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Federal Bank with a price target of Rs 220. Federal Bank reported strong business momentum in Q1 of FY25. Near-term focus would be on outcome of the RBI's approval on the appointment of a new MD and CEO. We believe that the bank will likely sustain ROA of 1.2% in the near to medium term. Healthy loan growth, stable NIMs, and benign credit cost outlook is positive for earnings growth trajectory going forward. Support return ratios and reversal in return ratio is unlikely in near term. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.1 times its FY25 and 1 times its FY26 book value. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.